Well, it's about 20 degrees out this pretty sunny morning. We got this snow starting Saturday. Saturday morning, no, Sunday morning, it was about 30 degrees and raining. And the snow was real powdery, but it soaked in and then it got really cold. So it just turned to pure ice. Today, which is Wednesday, it's the first day we're supposed to have sun all day. It's only going to be up about 20 degrees, but it may wind up warm enough to melt some of this ice on the road. I got my drive plowed pretty good with the four-wheeler when it was slushy. It plowed pretty nice, and then where her car was, I ended up breaking it loose with the box blade on the tractor. It was pretty tough. There's still some ice froze on the ground there. So everything still just froze solid, but I'm wondering if the road, if the sun stays out like this, I'd almost get my grater blade out on the Ford and see if I could scrape the road today. All right, y'all, I think I've had a little change of plans. It's been a few hours, and the plow truck has come back through, and then the sun went in more than it was supposed to, or at least I thought. But it's back out now, good and bright, and it's kind of melting a little more where the plow truck's been through, and plus he plowed snow out into the driveway entrances and stuff. So I'm gonna take this Foreman and just see if I can get a little bit of it off with it. My blade for my tractor is over here in the side yard, and it might be a little bit aggravating to get to. I could use the box blade that's on the tractor, but this is awful convenient if it'll work, so we'll just give it a shot. Good old Honda, baby. Let this old girl warm up for a minute and we'll get going. My plow bracket is loosened up a little bit on me. I'll have to work on that at some point. Looks like all the bolts are still in it. I beat on it pretty hard the other day. I plowed some pretty icy stuff with this thing, but it's pretty tough. It handles it pretty well. been a few days. It's actually in the 30s today. Stuff's melting a little bit, but still got this hump here. Was trying to get it off a little while and not having any luck at all. So my springs were getting really stretched out right here at the bottom. You can see where I put them in the vise and bend them back around, put some more angle on them. And actually I changed this too. I got a little more preload there, and then I stuck that concrete block on there because I really didn't have anything else handy just to stick on it for the moment. It's working pretty good. It's kind of holding my plow out once it trips. Alrighty, well that's gonna be it. This stuff's finally starting to melt. We are supposed to maybe get another inch or so of snow, but this stuff here, it was powdery. It got rained on and then it froze. And I mean, it's a bear to do anything with. And even though the temperature is above freezing and it's melting off of things, the ground temperature is still cold enough that it's froze to the ground most places. So it's still just a lot of trouble. And as you can see, a full-size plow frame here got just totally mangled trying to plow this stuff. I mean, it's literally people rented track hoes and backhoes and bobcats trying to bust this stuff up because it's really a challenge. So I could only do so much with the old Foreman. I did get some good slushy plowing in before it actually froze. I wish I got some of that on video, but anyway, maybe this was fun for somebody. So I guess I like getting out and playing around on it a little bit. But anyway, I'll catch y'all later.